Good afternoon, students. So today we will continue with our topic, that is data file handling. Yesterday we read about file modes, file operations like file opening, file processing, file closing. So today we will go through read function, that is how can we read data from a particular file. Okay, so for this, firstly I will let you know that there are four read functions. That is, the first function is the read itself. The second function is your read n, where n is number of character. The third function is your read line, and the fourth function is read lines. So what are the main differences between these functions? Well, read function is used to read all characters from the given file. Okay, read n means what? Whatever number you will given, instead of this n, like if I write 12, then it will read 12 characters from the file. Read line function means what? It will read one line at a time from the file. And read lines, it will read all the lines from the file and make a list of it. That means first line एक तरीके से उसका फर्स्ट डेटा वैल्यू हो गया लिस्ट का, सेकेंड लाइन सेकेंड डेटा वैल्यू, थर्ड लाइन थर्ड डेटा वैल्यू. ओके, नाउ आई वन बाय वन आई विल go through to these functions. So firstly I will make a text file. Okay, I'll write it here itself. Suppose हमने कहा this is Tuesday, we are learning Python and we are discussing about read functions. So these are the three lines that I have written in this file. Now I will save this file. And students, please आप लोग एक बात ध्यान रखना, always remember one thing, whenever you save the file, even the text file also, you have to save that file in the same folder where all the other Python files have been saved. Okay, so here I am giving it a name, suppose data. So data.txt, and here I will change with text files save. Now ये मेरी data.txt नाम की फाइल बन चुकी है. ओके, नाउ इफ आई हैव टू रीड दिस फाइल, सपोज आई हैव टू run all the commands from the command line itself, then what I have to do, firstly I will use any file object like f equals to open. Which file I have to open? Data.txt. Okay, so when I give this command, it will open the file data.txt in which file object? F file object. So now if I use another object like data is equals to f.read, so f is a object that stores the data of the data.txt, and with the help of this file object we use the read function that will read all the characters from the file and put all the data into the data object. Okay, then when I press enter, and now when I print the data, it will print all the data here. This is the read function. Okay, now I have to close this file again, f.close, and our function is now completed. Our program is completed. You can write these lines into a file also and then run at one scratch. Again, if I open that means if I have to use the read and method, again I open this data.txt into file object f and then read. Suppose I have right here 5, then it will read only 5 characters from the file and put all these characters into the data object data. And if I'll print data here, so it will print this. Well, these are the 5 characters, because after this there is a space. Space is also considered as a character, that's why it is not showing here, but you can consider it here that THIS makes 4 character and there is a space after it which makes 5 character. If you have any problem, I will again show you. Like I open this file, suppose I read 7 characters, okay, and then print the data. Then you can see here it reads 7 character, that is 1 2 3 4, space is your 5th character, then 6 and 7. Now students, I think you have cleared that the 7 characters have been read from the data. Okay, now the next is your read line function. Read line function, again if I'll open this, then I will use the read line function. It will print the first line, okay, it will print the first line, because when I open this file, it starts from the beginning, and from the beginning it reads the first line and print this. Again if I'll give this command, see उसने अब सेकेंड लाइन प्रिंट की, बिकॉज अभी हम जिस फाइल में हैं, जब उसने फर्स्ट लाइन रीड की तो जो कर्सर है वो ट्यूसडे के बाद है, तो जस्ट अगर हम उसके बाद दोबारा से रीड लाइन फंक्शन स्टार्ट करेंगे तो वो उसकी सेकेंड लाइन रीड करेगा. जस्ट लाइक दैट अभी मैं अगर दोबारा से ये प्रिंट करूं तो उसने थर्ड लाइन रीड की. ओके, सो that is how the read line function works. Read line by line. But what if I'll again open this file, again use read lines function. Here I am using read lines, not read line. So it will make a list of different line as a data value. That means now if I print data, so you can see here, this is Tuesday/n. That means ये लिस्ट की पहली वैल्यू बनी, कॉमा ये सेकंड, ये थर्ड, ये थर्ड, 3 लाइंस थी आपकी, 3 लाइंस की एक लिस्ट तैयार हो गई है. ओके, नाउ if I want to make a program of it, then I can use it like, suppose firstly I write f equals to open data.txt. okay, now data is equals to, you can write anything, like you can write d also, d is equals to f dot read lines. सो अभी क्या हुआ, डी में आपका पूरा का पूरा लिस्ट बन गया. मैंने कहा फॉर आई इन डी प्रिंट आई. देन आई सेव दिस फाइल. रीड डेटा के नाम से मैंने सेव किया इसे, and I run this file. okay, sorry, I have to give the double quotes here, then only it will read this. so here you can see, जो आपका इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू देखिए आपका क्या हुआ, लाइन बाय लाइन आपका पूरा का पूरा डेटा रीड हो गया. सबसे पहले उसने फाइल ओपन की, फिर हमने डी ऑब्जेक्ट पे सारी लाइंस रीड की, उसके बाद मैंने एक लूप लगा दिया फॉर आई इन डी. दैट मीन्स डी इज एक्टिंग लाइक अ लिस्ट, एंड हियर आई वांट टू रीड ऑल द वैल्यूज ऑफ द लिस्ट वन बाय वन. and the values come one by one into the I variable, and I print I, then and equals to double quote means that means we want to print the characters into the same line, जो एक ही लाइन में है उसके बाद नेक्स्ट लाइन में अपने आप से वो जंप करेगा। तो इस तरीके से हमने एक बारी में सारी की सारी लाइंस रीड की। आई होप आपको डेटा को किस तरीके से रीड करना है फाइल में से वो आपको समझ में आया होगा। टुमारो वी विल लर्न अबाउट हाउ टू राइट इन अ फाइल। ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे। हैव अ नाइस डे।